Alright guys, so we've been getting a lot of comments about various skate park etiquette points and things you should or should not do, and various full-blown arguments in the comments section about things you should or should not do at the skate park. So here we go with things you should not do at the skate park. Number 1, the Mel Grab. Why can't you Mel Grab at the skate park, Lance?
I don't know. I guess because it's comfortable and it's the most convenient way to hold your skateboard. But don't do it at the skate park because you will immediately be spotted as a newbie.
Number 2, the snake.
All right, Fetty, you got it. This try right here, bud.
Come on, you can snake better than that. That's a good snake.
So the third thing you guys should never do at a skate park is tailgate.
Number 4.
Like, I really don't understand why I can't rollerblade at a skate park.
You're not supposed to do that.
I'm doing it anyway.
All right, number 5, don't go and do a trick that you have on lock on an obstacle that somebody's already trying the same trick on and struggling with it.
Dude, he's been trying this all day. I think he's got it this try.
You'll get it, dude. You're so close.
Nazis.
All right, you ready for a game of skate? Yep. Let's do it.
Look out! Riptide! Number 6, the Whiptide.
Number 7, butt boarding.
First try, 50-50 at the bank, all right?
Get out of the way!
Number 8, sitting on the obstacle. Don't do it, kids.
Number 9, throwing your board in anger. Just don't do it.
You got this, man.
Turned out she was a dude.
What's up, bro? I always win. Never lost.
Number 10, do not play skate in front of the stair set when you're working on a trick.
Number 11, never break another person's board. All right, Fetty, I got you. Hit this. No slide king.
Oh, get out of the way!
Number 12, standing in front of the shot.
You should just quit, man. You're a loser.
Number 13, being mean to the beginners.
I've been skateboarding for 3 years.
Number 14, don't put your board down mid someone else's run.
Number 15, the skaters who just do rock to fakies and tail taps all day on the mini ramp.
Do a different trick. It's a tail stall, not a tail tap, bro. A different trick. I'm learning the basics. That's a 7, bro.
I can't come here anymore. I can't. I can't.
Number 16, laying down in the middle of the mini ramp. I wasn't scared of that. I wasn't scared. I'm not scared. Number 17, bottle flipping.
Bottle flipping gets you the street cred though.
True.
That was pretty sick. I got respect for that. Open. Oh, it smells like an errand.
Number 18, littering at the skate park. Number 19, playing badminton at the skate park. Number 20, playing ball at the skate park. Number 21, excessive wax.
Ledge is too short. It's not long enough. It's too mellow. Too mellow. I only skate double digits. It's not level. Not good.
Number 22,
Complaining.
Dude, I finally got that frontside tail down that hubba, man. Dude, I've been working on that for months. I finally got it today, dude. I'm so hyped.
The same hubba I like front tail 360 hard flipped out
When did you do that?
a couple days ago.
You got the clip?
Yeah.
Yeah, pull it up. Pull it
Oh,
up.
bro, I just forgot. It was on my story, so like, you know, the 24 hours. Plus I had a nice filter. Like, it's gone now.
Yes, sir. I mean, I got my
Like, you
phone.
can't
I
see
got
it.
my phone right now. You want to film it? We could.
I mean, like, one and done, you know? It's like, you either get it or you don't. You know what I'm saying?
Number 23. Don't lie at a skate park about what you're doing.
What you talking about?
number 24, don't light your board on fire at the skate park.
Yeah, babe. I'll come see you right after. Okay. I'm just gonna work on my tricks. Try to film it, and then I'll come see you right after. Okay. I promise. Okay. I love you. Talk to you soon. Okay, bye.
Number 25, don't steal other people's stuff.
Number 26, excessive electric longboarding. Number 28, not wearing the skate shoes at the skateboard park.
I can rap any shoe I want, brother.
That was actually really sick. Number 29, don't wax the floor.
That's an actual true fact. I did get in trouble when I was 13 for waxing up the ground, so don't do that.
Number 30, skating a door. 1, 2, 3. Number 31, skating a glass skateboard. No. Number 32, drill into a Samsung Galaxy phone.
Wait, you're not gonna mark it first? Oh my! Oh, it's smoking! That is not good. Not good.
Oh, Lance! Oh my god! Breathe that in! Oh my god! Oh my gosh!
Number 33, skate a big screen TV.
Skating good.
Number 34, skating a surfboard. Only one way to find out! Number 35, and the thing you should never, never, never do, not have fun.
This isn't fun.
Number 36, And this, for real, is the thing you should never, never, never do. Not like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Specifically, we want to know which list video should we do next? What do you want to see? Leave it in the comments below. We have a lot of fun doing these videos, and we're just, we're honing our professional acting skills. I think the Emmy in this one went to Kelly Wakasa.
This isn't fun.
Also, did we miss anything?
Let us know in the comments below.
Just don't fight at a skate park, okay? We left that out. Don't fight.
Beat you up.
Sorry.
Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, BrailleSkateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.